Hey guys, this section of the video should have been posted a couple months back, but I got really busy. So this has happened in the past, and we're just going to go over everything later on. But this will kind of bring you up to speed on what's been done to the car. We will definitely be putting together more videos. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is actually going to be a pretty big update. As you can see, I am not in my garage anymore. I've been working at a local shop, and I've been given a little bit of a space to work on my stuff in. So since my last video, I've been accumulating parts, and I will show you those in a second. But I just wanted to say thanks to my buddy Tom for allowing me to come in here and help him and work on my stuff. He's been pretty cool, and we're doing some pretty cool stuff with the racetrack. So stay tuned if you guys want to see more of the racetrack stuff. We're building it from the ground up pretty much, so that's going to be cool. But a little sneak peek, whole bunch of box parts. Anyway, I pulled the car in, cleaned it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. I'm start off back here in crankshaft corner. I have a Eagle forged crank sitting right here, 24 tooth. And in here, I have a 6-liter bored 30 over, and we've just ordered forged H-beam rods. We've got heads that are going on it. I'm gonna do some trunnion upgrades to the rockers, and we're gonna stud that whole motor, and we're gonna do a sloppy stage 2 cam in this one. And over here with the rest of the car, as you probably noted from the previous video, we have the turbo, we have the manifold, have our cold side kit, intercooler. We have a Holley Terminator X Max kit for the car, our blow-off valves and wastegates and everything to plumb the turbo in. And then we have a Holley Sniper EFI intake that's gonna go on this. So it should be running pretty hot. We're gonna pull everything apart in the engine bay today. I'll probably just stick the intake on there so I can look at it and just kind of tinker with the stuff today. Pull all the old wiring harness out and get rid of this box, clean the engine bay up, kind of get things the way I want them to look, and just kind of start building things. So a little bit of update. I'll show you where I get to today, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, there's still a pile of parts over there, but there's less parts in here. Intake's off, everything's coming out. I've got to take off for a little while, so this is as far as I got. Radiator's all empty, all that stuff's pulled off. Gonna start taking off torque converter bolts and whatnot later and getting this up out of here. And we gotta send my torque converter off to get some work done to it. But all the old wiring harness is out here. That's been tuned on HP tuners, and it's been reworked, but that's all gonna go into my 66 1-ton. And we got Todd working on his Malibu over here. But yep, that's gonna be it for this video today. I'll see you guys in the next one.